To Dr. Well-ventilated TV. I am bringing you information about a 42-room hostel that is available for sale, and the price for the 42-room hostel is 100 million naira only. That is the selling price. The hostel was built 5 years ago and it is in good condition. It is a good location for students of the University of Ilorin to live in. It is good for investors who want to make money from real estate. Real estate is real investment. The hostel is built as an off-campus hostel for students of the University of Ilorin. The hostel is not far from the University of Ilorin main gate. If each occupant of the 42 rooms hostel pay 200,000 naira per year, that will give us 8.4 million naira in 1 year. If each occupant of the 42 rooms hostel pay 300,000 naira per year, that will give us 12.6 million naira in 1 year. These values are for 1 year only, and imagine how many years you will collect and still have your property and capital intact. All you need to do is to manage the property well, and you will get good returns on your investment. Contact me on 080-369-10-988 and let's do business. Contact me directly on 080-369-10-988 and let's seal the good deal. Ask me your questions by direct message and I will respond to your question. So the video that you'll be seeing following after this now is the video of the hostel. I will talk to you in the next one. Make sure you contact me to seal the deal. Bye for now. 100 million naira, 42 room hostel, 100 million.
This is a 42 rooms hostel. 42 rooms hostel by at Tanke Okeodo. Tanke Okeodo, Balogun. This is the security post. This is the hostel. This is the hostel. A new hostel just about 5 years ago. 5 years old. 42 rooms hostel. It has two shops. Sorry, it has a shops and a security post attached to the building. This is the side view, the end view of the building. 42 rooms hostel, just 5 years old. Presently, the hostel is completely occupied. The hostel is completely occupied. So it's going for sales. It's going for sales. This is just fresh out to the market. So it's going for sales. 42 rooms hostel at Balogun Tanke Okeodo, going for sales. I'm going inside the hostel for you to see. Everything is well neat, still okay. This is the other wing. There's another exit. This is the back view. This is the back view. This is the back view of the hostel. So this is the back view of the hostel. 42 rooms hostel. So Yeah. I'm going towards this staircase for you to see how the upstairs looks like. Here is it. Here is it. This is the upstairs. I'm at the upstairs there. These are the rooms. Here is it. I'm viewing from the upstairs. So a very neatly 5 years old built hostel at Badogun. Thank you. Okay. Shaking wow. Okay. Please, I just want you to have an insight towards how the rooms looks like. Okay.
Is bigger. And I will when I see one another before 10 your money.
Yeah. Just for you to have this is the room. This is the medium room. This is the medium room. Only fan. Is having a ceiling fan. This is the medium room. This is the toilet. This is the toilet. This is the toilet. This is the toilet.
There you have it. Real estate is the only real investment. If you make money from anything, real estate is somewhere you can put the money in. So give me a call today on 080-369-10-988 so that you can make payments or make your inquiries, and I will be glad to respond to you. So make hay while the sun shines. Bye for now, and please share this investment opportunity with your family and with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Until then, another video on my channel is what you need to see now. See you soon.